Capsicum and Potato Subzi. You will need 2 capsicums, 1 onion, 1 medium-sized potato, salt, chili powder, turmeric powder and cooking oil. Remove seeds and cut the capsicum into pieces. Place them in a dish. Chop the onion, add it to the capsicum. Peel and cut a potato into cubes. Add it to the dish. Add 3/4 teaspoon of salt or to taste, 1/3 teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon chili powder or more if you want it spicy, 2 tablespoons cooking oil. Stir well till all the vegetables are coated with oil and spices. Cover the dish and put it into the microwave. Keep it at 100% or full power for 9 minutes. Leave the dish inside for another 9 minutes for residual cooking. Remove the dish from the microwave and set it aside. Open and give it a good stir. Check that the vegetables are tender. If not, microwave another 2 minutes. Transfer the cooked vegetable to a serving dish or bowl. Serve hot with yogurt, salads and bread. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Get notifications and do let me have your comments.